Welcome back. So, in today's video, we'll be diving into the world of project management and productivity. Specifically, we'll be showing you how you can update a task in ClickUp automatically when the same task is completed in Jira application. So, guys, if you're someone who is struggling to keep the task list in these two different applications synchronized manually, then we have got you covered in this video. I'm going to show you step-by-step process of integrating Jira and ClickUp, the two powerful project management tools when combined can supercharge your productivity and save your time. And we can set up this automation without any coding super simply. So let's begin. To set up the automation, guys, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool, and this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. And from here you can sign up for free and you will get free automation tasks every month. So sign up right now from the given link in the description, and then you can follow me through the video and set up your first workflow of automation. So after signing up, you just have to sign in and select and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. From here, click on this create workflow button. Here you can give a suitable name to this workflow. So let me give a name here. So I have given this name, update ClickUp tasks from Jira completed task. Okay, now click on create button and you can see the workflow page is loading up here. And on this page, guys, you will find the basic building blocks of our automation, that is the trigger and the action. So trigger is that event which starts the workflow and the action is the automated response of the trigger. In this use case, guys, we want that when a task in Jira is marked as completed, then the corresponding task in ClickUp should also be updated as closed or completed. Okay. And guys, before setting up this automation, we have already created a different automation to synchronize these two tools, that is the ClickUp and Jira. Here, guys, you can see I have already created this workflow, and here when a new task is created in ClickUp, the same task will be created as an issue in Jira. Okay, right? So if you want that I make a video on this automation, you can comment me, guys. You can say me in the comment that we want a video on this also. I'll create a different video. Or it's a really simple automation, you can just create it by yourself. And guys, after setting up this, what will happen whenever a task will be created in ClickUp, an issue will be created in Jira, and that my team or anyone's team is going to work on the issue in Jira and mark it closed. And this is the reverse automation now we are creating, that when the Jira issue is marked as closed, the corresponding issue in ClickUp should also be marked as closed or completed. Okay. For this, guys, first of all, you have to select Jira here in the trigger, Jira software. Okay. Then select the trigger event as configure webhooks, and it will provide you a webhook URL. So with the help of this URL, we can create a connection with Jira by following these instructions written here. Okay. So let's do this. I'm going to go to my Jira application. So this is my Jira application, and from here, guys, you have to click on the settings icon on the top right corner. From here, you will find this system settings. Under Jira settings, click on system. And under system setting page on the left hand side panel, when you scroll down, you will find the advanced section. Under advanced section, you will find the webhooks tab. Click on it. And here, guys, you can create a new webhook connection. For that, just click here on this create a webhook button. And here you can give a name to this webhook. So I'm giving the name here as, let's say, new test. Then you have to make the status as enabled. And here in the URL field, you have to erase this and paste this URL. So just click on copy and paste this URL here in this URL field. Okay, and here you can provide a description here, and here you will find this issue related events option. Here, guys, you can select some projects. Under those projects, you can select some specific issues using a JQL or Jira query language query. Okay, to define on which issue under which project you want to send the data or trigger the workflow. Okay, So you can take the syntax help. You can see we have syntax help. Click on it and you will find the Jira query language, a page here where you can learn about Jira queries. So here you can see on this page you can learn about the Jira query language, and you can see this is a simple query. Here you can select a project and the assignee's name. Okay, but guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this issue type here and I'm going to select updated option, and this is going to work for all the issues in all my projects. And whenever any issue is going to be updated, that means marked as closed or open or anything, then the workflow will trigger. Okay, so I've selected issue updated option and scroll down here and then click on create button, and you can see the new test webhook has been successfully created. Okay, and here you can see guys, in the workflow, as I have copied the webhook URL, it started showing waiting for the webhook's response. This means now we can perform a test submission. Test submission means now I'm going to manually update any test issue in Jira, and the data of that issue will be fetched here. Okay, so guys, I have opened Jira application again, and here you can see I am under this project named as Connect app, and this is a board I have created. And in this board, like you can see, we have 3 tasks in this to-do list. Okay, and corresponding to these tasks, we have tasks in ClickUp as well. So you can see we have this new test task, and here you can see in ClickUp we have this new test task in this to-do list as well in ClickUp. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to open this task and I'm going to mark this task as done or completed. So here we have this task under to do. So here I'm going to update this and I'm going to make it as done. Okay, you can see this task now is completed, and here you can see it is under the done section or completed task section. Now let me check the workflow, and here you can see guys, we have received the response here, and in this response you can see when you scroll down you will find the summary new test task and underscore this ID. And how this ID is came here, because I have added this ID here in this name of the task, because we are going to need this ID when we are going to set up this automation further. And from where this ID came from this previous workflow of automation. Here in this previous workflow where I have linked ClickUp with Jira, I have created the Jira's issue with this kind of name, with the name underscore and ID given by ClickUp. Okay, here you can see in this response we have received an ID, and I have mapped this ID here in this step in the summary field of Jira, so that whenever our automated task get created in Jira, it created with this kind of summary. Okay, because in the reverse automation we need to have this ID of the task. Okay, let me show you how. So we got the data. Now it is time to create a now it is time to update the same corresponding task in ClickUp. For that guys, just click here on this this action step, and here search for ClickUp. And now the action event I'm going to use is update task. Here we'll find this update task option, select it, then click on connect button. From here select add new connection, and here it will ask for the API token of ClickUp. So you'll get the token from the profile icon. Let me show you that. This is my ClickUp application. Here on the bottom left hand side we have this profile icon. Under this you will find this apps option. Click on apps. Under apps page you will find the API token. Click on copy, paste this token here and click on save, and you will be connected with ClickUp. Okay, then it will ask for the workspace name, the space name, the folder name, the list name, the task ID, etc. So guys, here you can see in ClickUp. So here is ClickUp guys, and here you can see I am under connect space under Pabbly leads folder, and this is a new lead list or board I have. Here I am creating the tasks, okay, and here I want to update this task. So similarly select the space, this is the default space. Here space name, connect, folder name, Pabbly leads, and here it is asking for the list name, so you'll find the list new leads, okay. Then it will ask for the task ID. This is the thing that we need to map to update the particular corresponding task that we have in ClickUp, okay. So in the task ID we need to map this task ID which I have mentioned here in the summary of Jira's task, okay. So I'm going to fetch out this ID using a feature of Pabbly Connect which is called text formatter. So just click here on this plus icon, and here in this action step search for text formatter and select the action event as split text. Then click on connect button, and here it is asking which text you want to split. So here I'm going to map this field summary label. Just click here guys on the text to split option, and the previous step will appear here like this, and when you click on it you will find the data right here. So from here you have to map the field summary label, okay, and I want to fetch out this code or ID from this whole string. So I'm going to use the separator as the underscore between these two words or the string of words, okay. So place underscore as the separator, and then the segment index map select all option. All means I want that this name also fetched out and the ID also, okay. When you select the first option, the first thing will be separated, you will select second, the second thing will be separated. I am selecting all and clicking on save and send test request button, and you can see the response in the result. And here you can see guys, we got two labels here, the result 0 label and the result 1 label, and here we got the name of the task and the ID of the task. Now we can use both of these things in this step. So here guys, make the connection again because I have added this step before this step, okay. We need to create the workflow sequentially. So click on connected here. From here keep this select existing connection option selected, and then click on save again, and your connection with ClickUp will be refreshed. And now guys, it's time to map the task ID. So just toggle this map button to on, then erase this field, erase the demo data, and here from the second step map the result label, okay. All right, and then it will ask for the task name. So for the task name also I'm going to use the second step, and here I'm going to map the result 0 label. In the description guys, I'm going to use the first step, and I'm going to map the task description by finding out the task description here. Here is the description label, just map it. Priority, you can map that priority as well, toggle this map button to on, but here you have to place the priority in 1, 2, 3, 4 values. So you can just, this is not a compulsory field, you can just erase this field, okay, and leave it blank as well. Then here it will ask for the assignee, the due date, and all the things. So if you want to map this data, you can map this data as well. Right now I'm just mapping the required details to show you the demo how it is going to work. And finally, the thing we want to update here most importantly is the status of the task. I particularly want to update the status of the task only, okay. So right now the status is under to do, okay. So here I want this task to go automatically under the completed section. So guys, just put here in the status COMPLETE, that is complete in caps lock, that means in uppercase letters. Provide complete word here in status field in uppercase letters. And now you can check your connection with ClickUp by clicking on save and send test request button, and this particular task will be completed and will be here in front of you. Let me show you. I am clicking on save and send test request button. This is the response we got guys. Let's check and ClickUp now. And here guys, you can see the task was already completed, and here you can see it in the completed section. Okay, this is how the statuses is going to be synchronized between these two applications automatically. I know the workflow. We have used two workflows and it's a bit tricky to understand. So you do not have to worry, guys. I'm going to paste the link of both of these workflows in the description. You can clone both of these workflows in your own free Pabbly Connect account, and your ClickUp and Jira will be synchronized with each other. And if you are switching from Jira to ClickUp or ClickUp to Jira, this is going to help you a lot. And guys, you have to set up these workflows only once. After that, in real time, they are going to work automatically. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.